Welcome to the lesson. Class is in session. Hey guys, welcome back to SEO College. And in today's video, we're going to be going over how to create a campaign step by step with the Money Robot tool and how to actually utilize it to generate traffic, generate sales, generate more income in your business. As you can see right here, I'm in the back end of the Google Ads, and I've been running a combination of organic and paid for myself and customers, bringing in millions of dollars in revenue for my business as well as my clients as well. So I want to show you exactly what I'm doing, and if you want to learn more about digital advertising and to how to generate real money and real traffic into your business, you can feel free to book a free strategy session with me in the link in the description below, and we can build a step-by-step strategy, and I'll figure out what to do with your business. And if you are a right fit for our program, we'll talk a little bit more about how you can get enrolled in our program as well, which includes a lot of our past material from our original program, which is the Money Robot tool. So with that said, I'm gonna go into my website that I'm currently advertising at the moment. We just started this website not too long ago, only a few days ago. It looks like it's starting to take off already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create a winning campaign. Okay guys, so the first thing that we need to take into consideration is our post, right? So we got to go into our post, and keep in mind that this website is 100% automated. It's completely automated with ChatGPT 3. So I'm actually getting traffic on autopilot without actually touching it. So I'm not actually touching it at all. It's actually creating the traffic for me by itself. So I'm going to actually take this right here, and I'm going to actually copy this URL right here. As you can see, this is all automated. I actually created this banner myself. So what I want to do is I want to jump back into my Money Robot tool, and I'm going to show you exactly how I would go about creating a new campaign. So if you have the free trial, you might not see the results that you would get with the actual tool itself. So I highly recommend going in and getting the monthly subscription or the lifetime subscription. I actually have the lifetime subscription. So what we want to do is we're going to click on new campaign right here, and then you want to paste the URL into Money Site URLs, okay? And the next thing you want to do is you want to name your campaign after the keywords. So the keyword is a very important part here, guys. You have to make sure that you have the right keywords. So basically, I want to take the keyword high intensity fat burning workouts, okay? Take that keyword, and I'm actually going to paste it as the campaign keyword right here. And I'm going to go into keyword research, right? And I'm going to type in, I'm going to paste right here, high intensity fat burning workouts, okay? And I want to make sure that there's no hyphens there. Okay, so I take away the hyphens. So what this does is it actually finds keywords that we can utilize for our campaigns in the Money Robot tool. Okay, perfect. Okay, so as you can see, there's quite a lot of unique keywords that are being promoted here. The next thing I want to do is I want to just copy all of my keywords to my clipboard. As you can see, there's a ton that are being generated as we speak. So if I just scroll down here, there's more and more keywords being generated. I copy that to the clipboard, and then I'm going to jump back into our campaign. Okay, so I'm going to jump back into our campaign here. So I'm just going to close this. Close all these. Alright. I'm going to jump back into our campaign right here, and I'm going to paste the keywords. Perfect. So once I post the keywords here, then I'm going to find the right diagram to utilize. So depending on the diagram that you choose, you're going to get a certain amount of traffic. For this one, we're going to be using the SEO Power Ranker. So the SEO Power Ranker is a very extremely powerful diagram right here that we could utilize for this campaign specifically. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click right here where it says create unique articles using the Money Robot Diagram Builder. So what this is an AI generating, basically an AI generating article spinner that will spin the articles and then basically create a new article for each of these right here. Okay, guys. So it's actually very good to utilize for your tool right here. And then basically once this is created, you are able to submit to thousands and thousands of websites that will point back to your blog. I like to spread the submission over the duration of 10 days, but in this case we're going to do it for 5 days. So we're going to keep it a little shorter this time. And keep in mind, I'm actually running this off of a VPS. I highly recommend getting a VPS. If you want to learn a little bit more about how to get a VPS, you can book a call with me and I'll show you exactly how to get a VPS for your website. We'll set it all up for you and make sure that you can actually run the Money Robot tool 24/7. Okay, guys? So I'm going to start the campaign and that's it. So if we go right here, you're going to see our campaign is going to be submitting over a duration of 5 days. And you can see that right here it's going to be submitting to social bookmarks. And I'll show you what a social bookmark looks like. So if you go right here, this is one of my older campaigns. So there's going to be users, you'll see users right here, with actual usernames, passwords, and emails that will be submitting your website to specific like pages, Facebook pages in this case. So I'll just click right here. I'm gonna copy this, and then I will paste that right here. So you'll see that it's Facebook shares. Okay, guys. So this person is posting to their own Facebook account. So that's what social shares look like. So with that said, if you enjoyed this video, if you got some value from this video, make sure to leave a like. Also, make sure to book a call with me if you want to learn a little bit more about how to use this in detail, how to drive more traffic, how to make more sales with your ventures. And basically, I'll show you everything that I know that I'm using for my clients on the strategy call. So make sure to book a call. Also make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll show you some more tactics and really cool ways to use the Money Robot tool to drive more traffic to your offers. So with that said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Take care, guys.